Hello guys. Today I am going to make this. Let's start making it. These are Kalamkari figures, a folk art of India. I have made this in 3 steps. First I will do a rough sketch of the figure. The rough sketch is complete. Now I will add the details using a pencil. Now the details are complete. After completing the first and second steps, I come to the third step, in which I draw it with a pen on the detailed line. Once all 3 steps are complete, erase the rough sketch and detailing done with the pencil to make the drawing look fresh and clear. Now, following the same 3 steps that we followed to create the first figure, we will create the second figure as well. Both figures are complete and stand at 5 inches each. If you like this traditional art, then like, comment, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe.